Time magazine just published a very controversial article called "What if ultra-processed foods aren't as harmful as you may think?" This headline is dangerous and misleading, especially with so many Americans suffering from chronic diseases and obesity. They love to spark confusion and make us question what we know about good nutrition. You'd think they would want to help their reader and simplify things by distinguishing very clearly a list of minimally processed foods that can be beneficial, like unsweetened applesauce, and harmful ultra-processed foods like potato chips, but instead they made everything seem like it's all kind of one category. Then they bring in quote-unquote experts to downplay the dangers of ultra-processed food. They try to make these foods seem normal by saying things like 80% of our calories are coming from these foods. Like, how bad could they be? Without mentioning the research and connection between eating ultra-processed foods and raising risk of anxiety by up to 53%, or the fact that 50% of children now have a chronic disease. They distract us by focusing on social issues rather than focusing on real solutions that can be making us healthier. They fail to mention our very broken food system that makes cheap, unhealthy food widely available, like allowing you to buy soda with high fructose corn syrup using food stamps. And talked about how instead that money could be used to provide healthy food, nutrition education to everyone. The article conveniently brushes over the science that shows that ultra-processed foods can harm our bodies. It forgets to mention who funds all of this research and misleading messages. We can't fall for it. True health experts should be promoting the consumption of true whole foods or minimally processed foods made with wholesome ingredients. It will always be a win for your health. Don't let misleading headlines steer you away from making healthy choices.